Come out with us and play. Love your London. Have a banana.
Yeah, so we're here in Victoria Park. Just thought we'd have a little look around, a little looky-loo. Well, we're going out anyway. It was a nice autumn afternoon in September. Thought we might just check out, see what's...
Evil fountain water is getting on me. Evil fountain water. Oh, it's spraying on me. Tristán, the evil fountain water. Oh, don't get any on you. The spray is being blown onto me. It's like, tastes like bad salad.
Bad salad.
Ugh.
One more time! Sunshine, moonlight, come on! Good times, boogie. Sunshine.
we're Big Smoke Brass. We've been formed for about 4 years now. Based in Greenwich, we studied at Trinity Laban Conservatoire, where we all met. Music college, and we've been playing all around London and across the UK, doing different functions and our own private live shows as well. Coming down to Victoria Park for the past few weeks to do some playing. It's been great fun. We've had a really good response. Really good response.
Is this the first year you've done this? Or?
First year we've come down to Victoria Park, yeah. New spot for us. Only been doing it a few weeks, but it's been great. Amazing reaction. Made plenty of money out of it, which is the most important thing, of course. But yeah, it's been great.
Do you have to do you turn up and play, or
turn up and play? We've had no problems so far. If anybody knows of any problems with that, then let us know. But yeah, we've just been turning up and playing. A great response from everybody around. It's been really good.
Have you got any plans for the future, like Britain's Got Talent or anything?
Maybe. We've seen a few brass groups go on Britain's Got Talent, but I think we're just going to keep going away, keep doing what we're doing. Keep doing what we're doing. Keep our options open, especially with the world as it is now. You just got to put yourselves out there for everything. Still available for bookings at any time if anybody wants any bookings for anything.
Okay. Well, we'll put your social media details.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Good luck for the rest of the year.
Thank you, and yourselves, guys.
Thank you. Cheers. Love you, London.
Voilà.
Hello.
Voilà.
Okay, so we're here at the Floating Boulangerie. Now there was a band who were playing here earlier with the record launch called the Faux Fibbers. I'll just put a little bit of footage up there now.
Like frogs. I don't need no woman trying to keep me in line, saying play by her rules, everything will be fine. I've got my mates and some real good friends too. I see them when I see them, and yeah, that will do. So if I've got one place to sleep and a bottle of booze, maybe some friends and a dry pair of shoes, then I'm happy. Yeah, I'm happy. That makes me happy. I know what makes me happy. I don't need a BMW, I always take the bus. Can't afford that, oh, walk is no fuss. Unless it's raining and I got holes in my shoes. Can't stand wet cold feet, man, that gives me the blues.
Obviously these days with COVID, the pubs aren't open or music venues aren't open, so they decided to do it here on the Floating Boulangerie. Would you like to tell us a little bit about the Floating Boulangerie?
Yes, of course. So hi, my name is Lindsay. We opened the Floating Boulangerie with my husband Jeremy during lockdown. We basically make everything on the boat, so everything is handmade and homemade. We don't use anything electrical, and we make everything traditionally with sourdough.
Wow. So what do you have? Do you have croissants?
So we
stuff?
make croissants, different type of bread, pain au chocolat, everything that's basically French pastries we make.
I think I'm going to have to get some. Do you have pain au chocolat?
We don't. I'm literally sorry. We got sold out very early this morning. We don't have anything. We are sold out. We have an event with pizzas tonight. So pizza night with live music. We will reopen tomorrow morning for bakery.
Right. Okay. Oh well, that's a shame. But I'm sure I've heard that your bread is absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Don't shoot the waitress, it's not a good thing to do. Don't shoot the waitress, she ain't done nothing to you. Don't shoot the waitress, she's only trying to bring you food. Don't shoot the waitress, it's not her fault you're in a bad mood. Job didn't go well, you feel like hell cause you didn't get hold of the dosh. someone's to blame. Perhaps your own flame. Do you think she squealed to the cops? Don't shoot the waitress. It's not a good thing to do. Don't shoot the waitress. She ain't done nothing to you. Don't shoot the waitress. She's only trying to bring you your food. Don't shoot the waitress. It's not her fault you're in a bad mood. Your son got blammed. He knew all the plans which might lead them back to you. Yeah, it all went wrong, but we gotta stay strong. We know what we got to do. Your steak's not rare, and I know that's the way you like it. You want blood on your plate, but don't give in to hate. Relax, calm down, fight it. Just don't shoot the waitress. It's not a good thing to do. Don't shoot the waitress. She ain't done nothing to you. Don't shoot the waitress. She's only trying to bring you your food. Don't shoot the waitress. It's not her fault you're in a bad. It's not her fault you're in a bad. It's not her fault you're in a bad mood.
Bush and fat. Wait. I'll leave that on there. That looks cool.
Who's that? Seaweed, yeah?
Yeah.
Start a trend. I make this shit look good.
Just getting nuts.
I think I could do without the dwarf bush. It is. It's a horse.
Hang on.
From Acton Town to Wimbledon, from Brixton to beyond. Love your London, have a banana.